Shalom! Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about everything that has to do with lashes. I'm going to be teaching you how to pick them out, how to trim them, and apply. Let's get into this video. So, our first part is going to be how to pick your lash. What kind of look are you going for? What mood is it? Are we being natural? Are we being like going out with the girls? Or are we full glam? I got you on all occasions. So, the first one, a natural look, a natural child, a good woman. We're gonna be using this type of lash. I know you can't see that, so for these lashes, they're very small and they're very wispy. That's what I consider as a natural lash, is when they're very lightweight, wispy, and have spaces in between like these do. I use these when I go to school, when I'm going to the groceries, when I walk my dog, just like normal things. That's what we use her for. Moving on. So, for my girls, for my guys, for anyone in my bean team that is planning on going out tonight, I found the perfect lash for you. These are my going out lashes. So these lashes right here, these are the Vegas Nay Allure lash, absolute Allure lash. They are by Eylure lashes. That is my current favorite brand at the moment for lashes, drugstore or any kind of lash. I really like this one. So for my going out lashes, I prefer them to be baby doll lashes. Now baby doll lashes have a very thick segments and they go from very tall in the middle to the inner and outer corner being very short. This gives the eye more of a cute look. So it's not gonna elongate your eyes, but it's gonna make them look bigger. I personally love this look for when I'm going out, and I think you will too. This is my preferred going out eye look. It's different than a full glam look that I use, and for full glam, I like my eyes to be more wide, which I will show you in a second. Now, for the extra beans out there that go the extra mile, we have stopped at full glam lash. Now, for full glam lash, you know that I love my Marquise lashes by Eylure, but today I will be showing you the Grand Glamour lash by Eylure. How I decide that I want a glam lash, how I decide that those are glam lashes, is when they have two layers. So as you can tell, this one has one that's more longer than the other and one that's shorter but curls up. This gives you a very dynamic look for the eye. It elongates the eyes and gives you a more smolderous look. I use that for with my glam looks because I don't want to look 12 when I'm, trying to be glam. I want to be more of a sexy kind of gal that time. So that's how you choose the lashes. So let's get into how to cut them. So getting the lashes to fit. Unfortunately, lashes don't come in one size fits all. All of our eyes are different. The best way to fix this is to trim the lash. I use nail clippers to trim my lashes, just ones like these. You can also use nail scissors, whatever works for you. So the important part is to trim from the outside of the lash. That way you don't mess up the style of the lash and they will fit better. So first step, bare lash, bare eye. Place them on your eye and see how much comes off the edge. Whatever comes off the edge, you will clip. And again, you can't clip too much at the beginning because you'll never be able to bring it back. So start small and keep fitting your way through to see where it's gonna land. Now we're at the how to apply part. So we're gonna prep our lashes by curling them. Use any kind of curling mechanism you have. This is the one that I have. The only one I do not advise is a curling iron. Please don't do that. So, I know this looks like a medieval torture device. It is, but it's not too bad. Curl them, pinch them. Have you seen that one video where the girl like literally cuts them off? Horrifying. That's not what we're doing here. Wow. So our next part is putting the adhesive on the lash. So I'm gonna be using this Eylure lash adhesive. Doesn't matter whatever kind you have, works. Don't use Elmer's glue. Okay, so when you are putting the glue on the lash, you're gonna wanna put it to the bottom part of the lash. That way, when you put on the lash, it sticks much better to the base of your lash. So, right here. And never put too much goo on. They never dry when you do that. My goodness, people. Let that dry about 30 seconds to a minute. While you're doing that, we're gonna put some mascara on. Not too much though. So, you're gonna put just a little base coat so that these blend into the fake lashes that you're about to use. I am using the IT Cosmetics mascara. That is my personal favorite at the moment. You can use any type of mascara you like though. Please do not use ink. So, you're gonna wait for the lashes to dry and you're gonna wait for the lashes to dry at the same time. And hopefully, they do it at the same time. So while you're waiting, you can start the other eye. If you're just, impatient like me, you're gonna wave this little lash around and hopefully it dries faster. Okay, touch. Oh, she's sticky. Okay, let's put it on. So, I prefer to put my lashes on with tweezers and my fingers. You can do one or the other, doesn't matter. Please do not use pliers. So hopefully you have waited the appropriate amount of time for these things to dry. And when you do, you are gonna be putting this lash on top of your natural lash. To blend them together, you are either gonna pinch them with some tweezers or your fingers. Hopefully you trim them accordingly. We will find out. Okay, I like to start them from the out into the in. Lashes are on. They're still a little wet. I'm gonna give it a minute. I'm pulling on my lower eyelid so that they don't stick to my lower lashes. Open up the eye a little bit, see where they fall. Pinch them to see if they're good. Okay, you can open your eye now. Give it a final squeeze. And you should be good to go. So we're gonna blend them just a little bit more with some mascara. They shouldn't budge. And that is how you put on a lash. We're gonna cheat a little. So I don't really have any lashes in the inner corner, so I draw a little eyeliner line right in my inner corner to make it look like I have an elongated lash. Okay, that's the truth. You said, Leena, are you cheating here? No. That's it, you guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And remember, you do not need lashes to complete a look. My extra ass self just likes it. And if you want to go the extra mile, you sure as heck can. So I hope you go on your merry way with some standout lashes. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.